In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in HubSpot so you can bill customers and keep your payments organized inside your CRM. Creating invoices in HubSpot helps streamline your billing process and maintain clear records for your business. To begin, sign into your HubSpot account and use the search bar at the top to find invoices. Then open the Invoices section where all your billing records are listed. Next, click Create Invoice and choose the type, either one-time for a single payment or recurring for ongoing billing like subscriptions. After that, enter the billing contact and select the associated company to keep everything organized. Then add your line items including products or services with accurate descriptions, quantities, and pricing so the total is clear. Set the invoice date and due date based on your payment terms. Before finalizing, review all details carefully to avoid errors or confusion. Once everything looks correct, click Create and your invoice will be saved in the system. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.